Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix ODIN Valhalla Rising mobile login problem. So if you're currently having problems to log in into your ODIN app and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly is that I closed the app myself and then I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in my settings app, then what I did in here is that I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general in here as you can see, and now you should be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit, then click on storage. And now just simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load in here. Then we're just going to wait for all the apps in here to load. Might take you a couple of seconds just so you know. And then when it's done, you're just going to swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click here and then just write Udin. Sorry, Odin. Here is the app, and then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Then we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Now just simply wait for your Odin app here to update to its latest version. Might take you a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. So just wait and then go back and try once again. Because the reason why you're not able to log in might be that you are currently experiencing a bug on the app itself, and you need to be able to do this to force an update to the app to fix this issue. So this actually solved it for me, but if it still is not working for you, then you might need to reset your password. So click on reset password on the app itself and then follow the instruction after that. So hopefully you will be able to fix it as well.